Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and explore how it works. So let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field that aims to develop systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks can range from recognizing objects and images, understanding natural language, playing games, making predictions, and much more. At the heart of AI is data. AI systems require large amounts of data to learn from and make intelligent decisions. This data can come in various forms, such as text, images, audio, or other types of information. But before the data can be used, it often needs to go through a process called data pre-processing. This step involves cleaning the data, removing noise, normalizing values, or extracting relevant features. Pre-processing ensures that the data is in a suitable format for AI algorithms to analyze. One popular approach used in AI is machine learning. Machine learning algorithms enable AI systems to automatically learn and improve from data without being explicitly programmed. There are different types of machine learning algorithms, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Neural networks are a subset of machine learning algorithms that have gained significant attention. Inspired by the structure and functioning of the human brain, neural networks consist of interconnected layers of artificial neurons called nodes or units. They excel at tasks like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and decision-making. Once the data is pre-processed, the AI model goes through a training phase. During training, the model learns from the pre-processed data, capturing patterns, relationships, and rules within the data. It adjusts its internal parameters based on input and output data pairs, optimizing its ability to make accurate predictions or classifications. Once the model is trained, it can be deployed for inference. Inference means using the model to make predictions or decisions on new, unseen data. The trained model takes input and produces an output based on the patterns it has learned during training. AI models often go through an iterative process of refinement. Feedback from the model's performance on new data is used to make adjustments, improve accuracy, and reduce errors. This iterative loop helps the AI system continuously learn and adapt over time. I hope you found this video informative and gained a better understanding of the fundamentals of AI. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.